Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are in Montego Bay, Jamaica today, and we are going to drive through the Montego Bay Yacht Club. Just to give you guys a quick tour. Straight ahead is our cruise ship that's in harbor today, or at the port. But this is the Montego Bay Yacht Club. We have a restaurant over here called the Marina Palms. Alright, so we're gonna head back out to Sunset Drive now. Now this part of Montego Bay has a lot of hotels, villas, gated communities, apartments. But basically everything here is tied to the tourist industry, so you would find that the apartments are usually rented through like Airbnb, those kind of things. Okay, on the right is a Sunscape Splash, a hotel. Now straight ahead, that's the Secrets Hotel. But like on the left now you have apartments. As you can see, this area is very nice. This is Sunset Drive. Straight ahead is the Secrets Hotels. Very nice hotel. It's huge. Alright, we're now going on to Alice Meyer Drive. You saw how that car went over the sleeping policeman. It's because it's a lot of persons are in it, so it's a lot of weight. So the sleeping policeman is high, so that's why he went over at the angle. Okay, over here now is a complex called the Lagoons. It's one of the most expensive places in Jamaica to buy a house. They're usually used for rentals, those kind of things, but it's a gated community, so we're not going to be able to go in. Just showing you guys. If you Google the Lagoons, you'll see how nice over there is. Okay, on the left now you can see the Carnival cruise ship. And Montego Bay is a major destination for cruise ships. This ship is the Carnival Glory. Doesn't look that big. The ships that come into, what you call it now, Falmouth, the Royal Caribbean ships. Now those are some of the largest in the world. But Montego Bay is a major tourist destination. Alright, so we're on Alice Meyer Drive. Alice Eldermeyer. This road is named after the wife of the first Minister of Health in Jamaica, Herbert Eldermeyer. Alright, so that's basically the tourist section where you have all the nice hotels, and then now we come into like the business section of Montego Bay now. We're still on Alice Eldermeyer Drive, but this is where you have like the Montego Bay Freeport, so you're going to have a lot of business activity down here. There you can see the very nice sign, welcome to Montego Bay. Okay, on the right is the Rainforest Seafood Facility. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.